Why did you decide to do this, motorcycle missions? Tell me that.
You want, okay, well. My circumstances led me to a motorcycle that that I didn't know anything about. I was excited to learn how to do this because I'm a car girl and I'm from Canada and I've always loved cars. Next thing I know, I'm working on bikes. I'm by no means an expert. Everybody around me in the motorcycle industry is a mentor. I learn with every experience I can get, and there's still so much to learn.